Okay guys, this is the wife's garden here.
Oh, look at the wife's garden.
And we have tomatoes, which this year it don't seem like we'll get any because the weather haven't really cooperated. They have flowered, as you can see. The beets, I think this is, they're doing very well. Carrots, they're doing very well. I think either it's beets or radishes. I forget now. But this here is either squash or cucumber, and they're not going to get huge, but that's okay. With cucumber, you can eat them small or not. So they're doing very well. This broccoli here is doing very well, and pretty soon I guess it would be time to harvest that. Never grown it before, but the wife takes care of that, so I don't even know what's planted in here. This here is beans, I believe, and I think they're doing okay by the looks of it. So it's been a good weather for some things and not so good for others.
What is this?
There is I don't know what's that down there in the middle there. I don't know what that is. But yeah, we did have some Swiss chard, which I don't like. That grew very well. Just to take you up here, I planted some grapes a couple of years ago, 2 or 3 years ago now, and we don't have the weather here for them. I should have them in a greenhouse. Maybe that'd be the next project. And this is strawberries. We got quite a few strawberries this year, actually. That's the other grapevine, which it does okay. It's just don't produce because we don't have hot enough weather and wet enough. Wet enough sometimes, but excuse me, not a combination. This is the blueberries we have. This year is a good year for blueberries. Last year we didn't get any. No blueberries whatsoever. This year they're going to be small. We've had a mix of hot and not a lot of rain. So, but this year it's pretty good. I mean, probably get maybe 4 gallons, I'm guessing, if everything holds up. It needs to be burnt over this year. As you can see, there's a lot of old wood, old growth. So we'll be doing that hopefully in the fall. I'll cover it up with a tarp. And when the first snowfall comes, it's usually safer to do so. So I'll burn it all over, and in a couple of years it really gets a better crop.